They are saying 16 and this packet looks extremely small. Smooth application. And yeah, it's not. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today's video is going to be more like a makeup vlog review of this product, Just Herbs herb enriched Ayurvedic lipstick micro mini kit, not micro mini kit. It has 16 shades, it seems. I did see this on Amazon and all of that, and I wanted to buy this, so I bought it. So now, how did I buy it? Was through Smitten. So I admit I did make many videos on Smitten before. So that's a website where you can order trial products and all that. So this was a trial product there where I have to pay only shipping charges. That was about 300 rupees. Shipping delivery charges I had to pay. So I got this product as well as few face masks and other things that I wanted. So this is also available on Amazon. So this MRP says 575 and it's a mini small lipsticks. So let's do the review today. It says free from synthetic film formers, petrochemicals, silicones and parabens. It's apparently Ayurvedic. I have no guarantee on this. I'll give you my honest review. It's not paid promotion or anything. So I'll tell you how I feel, and let's see the size of it, because they are saying 16 and this packet looks extremely small. Wow! Small it is. If I bring it close, it looks this big. It's actually this small, very small it is. So let's see how it is. I'll just swatch on my hand as well as on my lips. First, let's remove this lipstick that I have. This lipstick was gifted to me by Poojuvanni. She got this for me from Germany. I liked it. It's a shade and glossy lipstick. This is what she gifted me. Color Rich 345 Crystal Cerise is the shade, and that's L'Oreal Paris. L'Oreal Paris is the brand, and Color Rich 345 Crystal Cerise. It's glossy and shiny and very moisturizing kind of a lipstick. I really like this. Thank you. Take this out and try this. On this. Oh my god, this is so small. Literally so small. What is this? कसं नाही आहे? Yet this sun is this small. Oh, I show you. See, this is how it is looking. All are this small. All are in shades of brown and pink. Almost all look similar. For a moment I thought they've given the same shade. 16 lipsticks in this, so I'll one by one tell you what shade. This is mauve pink. Very small it is. Okay. Next is what? Caramel medium brown. Caramel medium brown. This is brown shade. Next is red shade. This is deep red, it seems. Then there is medium nude. अरे यार ये हाथ में भी नहीं पकड़ा जा रहा. Medium nude brown. Then there is deep pink. There is mocha brown. What do you call it? Mauvish brown, it seems. Then there is burnt red. This is a reddish shade. No, this is pink. Then there is subtle tea rose pink. It's all pink brown shades. They didn't give anything else. This is taupe. This is total brown shade. Then peachy coral, this one is. Then there is rose brown. And next, plum brown. And then there is bright pink, it seems. Now let's actually swatch and see how good or bad they are. I'll begin with bright pink. This is what I really like, is what I will use. This is how it looks. It has some smell. It's not that smooth application. The pink is pink, moisturizing. Okay, it's good. It has some sort of, fruity smell, not bad smell. It has some fruity smell. This is how it is. This thing I think I can use. Bright pink, looks good. Shade looks good. The next shade I want to try is this deep red, it says, because I am generally a red and pink person. So red looks like this. This one was that pink which we tried, the one that I'm still having here. This one is the red, deep red, it says. Now let's remove this and I'll try this. It is not transfer proof fully, it's transferring a little bit, but yeah, I think it's not bad. One time use is fine. Yeah, let's apply this deep red now. It's good. This is a good shade. I'm definitely sure I'll use this one. It's staying on the lips. Its formulation is good, I guess. It's not sticky. It's feeling good. So this was the shade red, is what I tried. So pink and red is good. Bright pink and bright red is what I think I will use. Brown and other shades of brown, I'm really not sure how much I will use. It's getting wiped off fast. It's not, very hard to remove. So that's also a good thing. Let's try some shade called taupe. It's a total brown shade, looks like. So this is that shade, total brown it is. So this is how it is. The formulation and all of that is the same for all three lipsticks I tried. This one is also good. I'm not a fan of brown shade. If you like brown shade, you can try this. Yeah, it's transferring, but it's not much. So that's okay. Yeah, it's good. I liked it. So if I keep on trying like this, then I think this video will be like what? 3-4 hours long, I guess. Okay, this is some mocha brown. It's a little orangish. No, sorry, purplish brown. This is. Where else do I swatch? I don't have any other place in my hand now because I have mehendi filled hands, and that's also a little brown. So everything is looking brown. Then we have a deep pink, it seems. So that let's swatch here. This is the deep pink that I just swatched, and this is almost similar to this one. I felt something similar. So the shades are very similar. That's what I want to say. And then this is pink. As is, it is pink. So this is that pink which is here. This is that shade's name itself is just pink. This is medium nude brown. This is that nude shade which everybody is a fan of. Subtle tea rose pink, they say. Yeah, this is subtle tea rose pink, which is similar to this one. So again the same comment, I'd say shades are very similar. I think they just took the same shade and named it differently. On to red that I just swatched here. So yeah, it's similar to that other red shade here, and this red is kind of looking similar. Mauve pink it is next one. Yeah, mauve pink is purplish pink. We have plum brown. Where do I swatch now? This is that plum brown color. This one's looking dark. Let's try this. Yeah, some are little hydrating. This one is hydrating. In the sense, when I'm applying it, it feels moisturizing. Some are dry. This is plum brown, it seems. Then peachy coral, it says. This is peachy coral. Yeah, see, if you see this and this here somewhere, the shade is very similar shades. Mauvish brown. This was the one, mauvish brown, which is similar to this one that I just saw. They just labeled it some random names and gave the same shade. Rose brown this is. Now you tell me what's the difference between these three. All are the same. One, two, three, all are same. We have caramel medium brown. Yeah, this was caramel medium brown. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what here it is. 16 shades that I swatched and one which I'm wearing. So yeah, I'll swatch it again on a white paper and I'll show you. I'll attach a picture so you tell me the difference. So my review on this Just Herbs 16 lipsticks is, it's apart from 3-4 distinctive shades, they're all the same shade. Everything is the same shade given in different names. They're pocket lipsticks. That's one thing that I liked. So you can carry this small lipstick when you're going out in a small purse in a party. You can just touch it up. You need not carry big lipsticks. So that's one thing that's good. This is nice pocket lipsticks they are, and it's hydrating. Somewhere hydrating, somewhere not, and somewhere easy to apply. They're not transferable much. They don't. It stays along. That's good. So yeah, it was not bad buy, I think. For me, that I bought from Smitten, I got it for 300 rupees. So not just this one, many other products I got together for 300 rupees was a good deal. It's not bad. That's all I would want to say. It's not great. And out of the 16, maybe 4 distinct shades. They are all made a little brighter, lighter versions and sold multiplied by 4. Rest 8 are just little dark light versions of the first 4 shades. That's my honest review. That's it I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. Let me know how did you like this video of swatching 16 different lipsticks. My expectation was I'll get 16 different shades of different colors, but they're all looking alike. What did you feel? Let me know in the comments. I'll be wanting to read your comments too. I'll pin the first comment. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.